Thank you for watching my video and subscribing to my YouTube channel. You're welcome to Elite Professional YouTube channel. This is a video on how to make an interactive dashboard with Excel. Excel dashboards are quick and easy to learn and use for data analysis and for visualization. I will show you how to make an awesome Excel dashboard like this. This dashboard is showing the performance of ads ran during the Super Bowl from 2000 to 2021. Management wants to decide on the ads to run and the most cost-effective one based on sex. This dashboard compares the past records and provide insights for management. I have also designed it in form of a regular reports with the assumption that this would be monitored regularly. What do you think of this dashboard? Kindly leave your comment below. The full tutorial video will be updated very soon, so subscribe and press the bell icon to get an update once it is updated. You can check the link in the description if it has been uploaded already. In addition, we would be making similar dashboards on PowerBi and Tableau. Along the line, we would leverage the power on SQL to query data from the database and connect it to the Power BI. You are going to enjoy these series and learn a whole lot. Once again, welcome to Elite Professional. To emphases, all these Excel would equally be achieved with Power BI. Thank you and see you in the next video.